Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off or how you can hide lock screen notifications on your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, I will show how lock screen notifications appears. On the lock screen itself, you will see notifications icons, and you can understand that some notifications are there. Okay, I will show it now. Put lock screen and see here. This is see here. I show it again. See here, these are all the notifications icons showing. Okay, so on the lock screen itself, it's showing. If you want to hide these, if you want to remove these lock screen notifications, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here and go to notifications and click on lock screen notifications and just turn off this button. Now put lock screen and try to open, and there is no notification. So in this way you can easily hide or remove lock screen notifications in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.